Welcome to day 2 of the Glow Fit Guide 30-Day Bodyweight Challenge. Today's workout is all about tempo and building endurance. We're going to work through 2 intense rounds. You'll push hard for 30 seconds on each move with a quick 10-second rest in between. Take a full 2-minute break after round 1, and then we'll hit round 2 with fresh energy. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Let's get started with round 1. Remember to pace yourself, stay hydrated, and have fun. Round 1. Exercise 1, knee to elbow. We're kicking off with knee to elbow touches. Stand tall, and as you lift one knee, bring the opposite elbow down to meet it. This move engages your core and gets your heart rate up. Keep moving at a steady pace. Exercise 2, high knees. Now, into high knees. Jog in place and bring those knees up to hip level. Keep your core tight, pump your arms, and try to stay light on your feet. We're working those legs and getting that blood flowing. Exercise 3, push-ups. Next up, we have push-ups. Start in a plank position and lower your body until your chest is just above the floor, then push back up. Keep your elbows at a slight angle to protect your shoulders. Feel the burn in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Exercise 4, bridge hold. Hold this bridge position. Lie on your back, feet flat, and lift your hips as high as you can. Squeeze those glutes and keep your core engaged. This is great for strengthening your lower back and glutes. Hold steady. Exercise 5, squat. Now, it's time for squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips as if sitting back in a chair, and then push through your heels to rise. Keep your chest up and core tight. This move targets your legs and glutes. Exercise 6, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers up next. Start in a plank position and drive one knee toward your chest, then switch quickly. Keep your core braced and move as fast as you can while staying controlled. Feel that cardio. Exercise 7, crunches. Time for crunches. Lie on your back, knees bent, and hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and squeeze those abs. Keep your chin up and don't strain your neck. Exercise 8, lunges. Lunges to finish up round 1. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are at 90 degrees. Push back up to standing and switch legs. Keep your chest up and feel the work in your thighs and glutes. Take a 2-minute rest. Grab some water, catch your breath, and get ready to tackle round 2. Exercise 1, jumping jacks. Let's get moving again with jumping jacks. Jump your feet out while bringing your arms up, then jump back to center. Keep a steady rhythm and get ready to power through round 2. Exercise 2, plank jump-in. Plank jump-ins. Start in a plank position and hop your feet up toward your hands, then jump back to plank. This is a great move for your core, shoulders, and legs. Keep it controlled. Exercise 3, glute bridge. Back to the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your feet flat on the ground, lift your hips, and squeeze those glutes at the top. This is perfect for lower body strength and stability. Exercise 4, burpees. Time for burpees. Start in a standing position, squat down, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, jump your feet back in, and jump up. Burpees hit every muscle and give you a cardio boost. Exercise 5, jump squats. Jump squats. Lower into a squat, then explode up into a jump. Land softly and go right back into your next squat. This will burn those quads and glutes and increase that heart rate. Exercise 6, bicycle crunches. Now for bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and alternate bringing each knee toward the opposite elbow. Keep your core tight and twist with control to engage those obliques. Exercise 7, Sumo squats. Let's switch it up with Sumo squats. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width, toes slightly turned out, and lower down into a squat. Push through your heels as you rise. This variation hits the inner thighs and glutes. Exercise 8, jump lunges. Finishing strong with jump lunges. Step into a lunge, jump up, and switch legs in midair. Land softly and go into the next lunge. This move is intense but great for the legs and cardiovascular endurance. And that's it for day 2 of our 30-day bodyweight challenge. Awesome job today! Remember to stretch, hydrate, and give those muscles some well-deserved recovery. Subscribe to GlowFit Guide so you won't miss day 3. See you tomorrow for another great session.